Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Reading comments, and yours is next. So you want to see me without a filter. Well, here I am. This is it. This is me. I am just Miss KADIE. I am 57 years old. I'm going to be 58 on September 24th. I have gray hair, as you can see, which happens to a lot of grandmothers. But people who are older often color their hair, especially women, because they want to try to look younger. But I don't see what the point is in that. Like, what's wrong with looking older? When you're younger, when you're 10, you're so happy to have your 10th birthday, you're 15, you're happy. Like, why should that ever change? We just are who we are. And people might say, oh, you look older than 57. It's like, no, I don't. I look exactly 57 because this is what 57 looks like. And in a couple months when I'll be 58, that will be what 58 looks like. Everybody's different. You know, some people have more wrinkles. Some people have more muscle, some people are big, some people are small. What's important to me is to try to leave this world a little bit better than when I came. And that means working every day to try to help the victims. Now, like you, all of you out there, I used to eat animals. And I paid people to steal baby cows from their mothers because I wanted cow's milk. I paid people to steal eggs from chickens because I wanted to eat eggs. And eventually I just had a really good hard talk with myself and thought, that's not me. I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be mean. I'm vegan because I don't want to be cruel. I know what it feels like to be treated badly, and I don't want to do that to any animals. So that's it. That's who I am. I am just here on social media to try to raise awareness to that effect, and I hope that you will be looking at the documentaries that I'm always hoping people will see, so that you will also get it in your heart and like feel that feeling that I felt when you suddenly realize that you have to be vegan, that is who you truly are, that is who you authentically are. And I often say that you were born vegan, meaning you never wanted to hurt animals, and that is what I'm asking people to tap into. I know that when I was younger, if I saw any animals, I never wanted to hurt them, and I would get really upset if somebody was hurting any animal, even riding their bikes over worms and things like that. So, you know, I just want to say thanks for being here, and yeah, this is authentically me. Now, show me you. Who are you?
Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? Did you hear the axiom? Did you hear the truth? Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's got cancer-fighting flavonoids, so you should eat it starting in your youth. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's a cruciferous veggie with lots of fiber, that's a fact. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It will keep your gut microbiome happy and intact. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's got vitamins B6, D, A, and K. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It keeps your feces flowing freely along their way. Chop it in a salad, pickle it in a jar, shred it in a soup. Now you know the cabbage songs, you can sing it in a loop. Vegan doctors, athletes, kids, and parents too, they all eat cabbage, and so should you. You should be vegan too. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? It's actually purple and blueberries are too. You should be vegan. Did you hear the adage of red cabbage? Vegans eat it, and so should you. That's what you should do.
there. I'm reading comments and yours is next. And you're saying, what's the point in being a teacher if you can't teach? It's a very good question. I assume you're talking about me and insinuating that I'm not good at teaching things. So what I invite you to do in the comments below is tell me what it would take for you to actually listen. Because there's an old saying that says, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So right now, I don't look like a teacher to you. Could it be that you're just not ready? Could it be that when you come to the videos, you close your ears and your eyes, and you close your heart and you close your mind to my message? Is that possible? Because listen, I have tried every possible way to get the information out there that we shouldn't be hurting animals. And the truth is that there are some people who are just naturally cruel and they will never care. Now, I don't know if you're one of those people. Hopefully not. And if there's a specific way that you prefer to learn, let me know and I'll try to reach you. You know, some people prefer to learn through videos. Some people learn through songs. Some people learn through doing their own research. You know, but I'm not there to say to you, go do a project about how the cows are treated. Go do a project about how the pigs are treated. You know, otherwise I could, guide you to go to different sites where you would see that the 6-month-old baby pigs are murdered in gas chambers, and you would see it for yourself by actively doing that research. I could also try to encourage you to watch the documentaries, but if you don't go there, there's no way that I can get that information into your head and into your heart. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You have to understand that being vegan is a good thing, that you're not going to die as a vegan, you're going to be very healthy. And you also have to get it in your heart that it's about the animals. You have to make the connection that you would never want to hurt an animal. Normally, you would just want to save them. If you saw a cat that was injured, for example, you would probably run to try to help. If you saw a dog that was hit by a car, you would probably try to help. And if you saw a little pig right now running into the yard, you would probably be like, oh my God, there's a pig, Miss Katie. Like, let's go find the pig, let's pet the pig, and oh my God, where's the pig's mom? And what does the pig need to eat? And where's the pig gonna sleep? What are we gonna do? How are we gonna save this pig? So, you gotta tap into that. But thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video, hopefully.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals, go vegan.
I'm reading comments today, and yours kind of touched me because you were watching the video that I posted about the baby chicks and what happens to them. And you questioned why was everybody laughing and sort of making a big joke out of it, which shows me that you are one of the kind people on the planet who has empathy. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about that. Now, the video that you saw was of the baby chicks going down the assembly line where they separate the males from the females. And the males, because they'll never be able to lay eggs, are killed by falling down at the end of the assembly line, and they are cut into many, many pieces. The other way that they kill the baby boy chicks is by putting them in these massive bags with all their brothers, and then they tie a knot at the top. So they die from the weight of other chicks on top of them, and then they close the bag shut for the other chicks who are not yet dead, and they asphyxiate them. And I just want you to know that your reaction is like perfectly normal. Everyone around you in the comment section who is cruel is not normal. It is not normal to have that little empathy for another creature. Now, these little baby chicks if a little baby chick was somehow found all of a sudden on the side of a sidewalk, everybody would gather around and care. Even the people who are mean in the comment section, most of them would. So the mystery is, why do they act like they don't care? Well, it's a discomfort. They feel uncomfortable knowing that they're contributing to that kind of violence. They don't know how to like process their feelings. Some of them, yes, some of them are cruel. Some of them are psychopaths. There's actual cruel people who torture animals on this planet, and it's horrific. But I want to thank you for being here and for just writing your comment, acknowledging that the animals need us, that we shouldn't be making fun of their suffering. Animals are here with us on the planet, not for us. And I really hope that going forward you will consider becoming vegan. If anybody's watching this and you haven't yet seen that video, you can go to egg-truth.com. egg-truth.com. And hopefully you'll change and be vegan again, like you were always meant to be, because you never wanted to hurt animals. I know you didn't.
Empathy, empathy. Animals are not ours to eat. We're experiment on or use for entertainment. Animals are here with us, not for us. Empathy, empathy. Animals are not ours to eat. We're experiment on or use for entertainment. Animals are here with us, not for us. Be vegan with me. Open your heart. You know where to start. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher